The one thing that I have learned, and I have learned through experience, is you'll get where you want by sharing your gifts. What are your gifts? What are you good at? What were you blessed with? And then having the humility to say, I was actually blessed with this. Now, have I worked really hard to develop it? Have I worked really hard to get good at it? Yeah, absolutely. Don't take that away from yourself. But how do we share those gifts? How do we find opportunities to share them with others? The mindset of service to others builds them. So me serving someone else is ultimately going to build them up. What does that do? Inevitably, it causes you to grow as well. But so many people have trouble with that. So many leaders have trouble with that. What's in it for me? How do I be right in this situation? There's no need to. There's no need to be right in this whole thing. You're right when you're serving others. You're right when you're reaching out to help them. That's the right thing to do. And when you do that, you will accomplish what you want to accomplish.